Does this all mean?
Well, I think it means that while the direct proof for all the really specific grand solfeggio claims might be, limited right now,
Mm,
sound itself is undeniably this powerful vibrational force. It's a profound tool.
a tool for attention,
Intention.
imagination.
Exactly. It's all about how you choose to engage with it.
Okay.
Let's shift into a more immersive guided meditation. We call it Tuned Into You.
Okay. So take a moment now. Find a position that feels really comfortable for you. Maybe sitting upright, maybe lying down. Or just pausing right where you are. Allow your body to soften.
Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw.
And if it feels okay, just gently close your eyes. Let's take a nice long deep breath in through the nose. And release it slowly, fully through the mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. Imagine drawing in light. And exhale, releasing any tension that might be lingering.
Imagine a warm, deep, earthy glow right beneath you. Feel it rooting you, grounding you. It anchors you, supports you completely. This is the vibration of release, of letting go of anything that no longer serves your highest good. With every mindful breath, just visualize this rich, reddish gold light gently absorbing any fears you might be holding. Any traces of guilt, any regrets, feel them just flowing down effortlessly out of your body, returning to the earth to be transformed. You don't have to carry these old stories anymore. Breathe in safety. Feel that secure belonging. Exhale those fading narratives. Make space.
Now feel a beautiful, radiant golden light starting to rise from your heart center. This frequency resonates with love, with renewal, with transformation from within. Allow it to ripple outward, gently like warm sunlight. Embracing and softening every cell. Remember, this isn't about fixing anything. You are not broken. This is simply remembering your inherent wholeness, your perfect design. With each breath, feel this 528 Hz light moving through your chest, wrapping old wounds in compassion, dissolving tension, gently reminding your body of its innate ability to find balance, to heal. You are transforming, not through effort, but simply through allowing.
Now gently bring to mind someone you care about. Picture their face, feel their energy, sense their presence. Whether this connection feels joyful right now or maybe a bit strained or it's just evolving, imagine the space between you filling with a soft, comforting pink light. This is the frequency of understanding, of empathy, of healing within relationships. Let this harmonious tone weave through the invisible threads connecting you. Silently, perhaps offer this intention. I offer you peace. I receive peace in return. Let go of any need to judge. Let old stories just float away. Let harmony hum between you.
As this gentle energy continues to rise, lift your awareness even higher now. Imagine your consciousness expanding upward, way beyond the crown of your head, into this expansive space of clarity, of intuition, of deep inner knowing. This is the frequency of spiritual awakening, of tuning into your own profound inner guidance, that quiet wisdom that always knows the way. See yourself surrounded by shimmering stars. Feel the subtle energies of the universe dancing within your own field. You're remembering something ancient, something deeply true about who you are. And in this quiet space, let your inner voice whisper to your soul. You are safe. You are seen.
Good. Now, gently begin to draw your awareness. Draw all this beautiful energy back into your physical body. Feel it settle in your heart, your lungs. Feel the aliveness in your fingertips. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting you. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. Become aware of the air on your skin. Take one final deep, nourishing breath in and release it with a soft sigh. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this calm, centered awareness back with you.